Alright, let's do it the safe way. Close. And now, for the fun part. Homemade boiled linseed oil. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that oak. There you have it, a bull adze. Now, if you have questions about this, I have a whole second channel that is devoted to the how-to and teaching of woodworking. This one is more for the general people watching YouTube. And on that one, I actually talk through the project of what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and all of the thoughts that go into making the project. As well as on Thursdays, I have how-to videos for tool talks and demonstrations. And Tuesday evenings, we all have a live teaching session. So if you'd like to see that, head over to Wood by Wright How-To, and there'll be a lot more detail on that. This is a head that I purchased a while ago and have been wanting to make a handle. It's one of those things I've never actually tried and been wanting to do some bull carving with a bull adze. So now I have a bull adze to play with that. So we'll probably be doing some videos coming up in this year to make some bowls with a bull adze. It is a fun project, and with a skilled hand, it is amazing what can be done with a bull adze, and you can actually almost shape a bowl to its finished dimension and smoothness with just the adze. It is an incredibly cool tool. So I'm looking forward to using it. If you have any questions, comments, ideas, thoughts, snide remarks, intentions, let me know those down below. I do read through all the comments and answer as many as I possibly can. On that note, I also want to say thank you to everyone who hits the subscribe button and the like and the ring the bell, and all those things really do help out the channel. But particularly I want to say a huge thank you to everyone scrolling over on the side. You are the ones making this channel happen. Everyone who clicks that join button and helps out on Patreon is quite literally keeping this channel going. So thank you for that. I don't have any sponsors on this channel, and I keep this so that I can say what I want to say for you rather than trying to push some tool that some company wants. If you like that, think about clicking the join button or becoming a patron on Patreon. So I think that'll about do it for today, and until next time, have a wonderful day. If you ever really want to sell bowls, this is how you do it. It's a bull adze.